Welcome to the world of miniature yet lethal firepower as we explore the 10 most deadly mini crossbolts on Amazon. These deadly weapons combine precision, portability, and raw killing power in a compact form. From tactical models to rapid-firing arrows, each mini crossbow is a powerhouse in its own right. Whether you're interested in survival equipment, target shooting, or just fascinated by extreme weaponry, get ready to be amazed by the capabilities of these mini monsters. Number 1. Cobra Mini Crossbow. Cobra Mini Crossbow is an advanced type of mini crossbow which comes in tactical styling but provides enough firepower. The 80 pounds draw weight is quite powerful, despite the small size of this crossbow. Ideal for target practicing and small game hunting in safe conditions, it shoots bolts at a velocity of 160 to 175 feet per second. This weapon features a safety system that gets activated automatically the moment you cock the string. Made from die-cast aluminum or reinforced plastic and compressed fiberglass limbs, it guarantees strength and lightweight nature. It is equipped with adjustable iron sights and has a Picatinny rail measuring 21 mm for installing scopes. The standard size of this crossbow's bolts is 6.5 inches long and made of aluminum material. Number 2. Neptune Mini Dart Crossbow. The Neptune Mini Dart Crossbow is another lightweight crossbow which is both interesting and practical for use. This product can be used indoors and outdoors to have some fun while shooting. The Neptune Mini Dart Crossbow is made from 304 stainless steel, which makes it durable and reliable. In addition to this, it contains a magazine which can store 7 mini arrows at once. To begin using this product at once, there are 15 arrows included with it. The maximum distance that the Neptune Mini Dart Crossbow can cover ranges from 0 to 5 meters, which is good enough for training. Having a weight of 500 grams and dimensions 10 centimeters by 17 centimeters, the Neptune Mini Dart Crossbow is lightweight and easy to use. Its cost ranges from $59.95. Number 3. Petron Mini Toy Crossbow. The Petron Mini Toy Crossbow is a user-friendly and safe toy that provides an enjoyable experience to shoot targets. This toy is developed keeping children's safety in mind, and it is equipped with a unique trigger lock system, which fires only if the Petron sucker dart is placed properly into the crossbow. This toy has been made using lightweight but highly durable plastic material, along with spring steel prod for providing accurate shots without any difficulty. Moreover, it has been provided with adjustable front and back sights, which help in improving aim among children. The assembling of this toy is very easy as there is just one fixing screw required. This toy includes 3 sure-shot sucker darts, and its age limit starts from 6 years. Number 4. Badger Toy Crossbow. The Badger Toy Crossbow is an entry-level and portable toy crossbow that can be used for fun and harmless target practice. This toy crossbow is made of tough polymer material, usually available in high-visibility colors like yellow. It has practical sights at the front and back end, which assist in improving children's aim and coordination. This toy crossbow fires safe suction cup arrows, which can easily stick on any surface, including windows and target boards. The lightweight and easy pullback system make this crossbow a perfect choice for beginners, especially children, who are learning the art of aiming. It must be noted that the Badger Toy Crossbow must not be confused with other high-powered crossbows. While the former is a recreational crossbow, the latter is a powerful crossbow with a speed of 190 feet per second and weight of 80 pounds, which is designed specifically for adults. Number 5. Mini Mechanical Crossbow Model. Mini mechanical crossbow models are a perfect amalgamation of science, history, and creativity. This hobby model is offered in various forms, such as the historical/educational one, which includes 3D wooden puzzle of ancient siege weaponry, including Wu Hoyu crossbow chariot. Such toys provide an exciting way of studying ancient military equipment. There is also precision metal version of mechanical crossbow models made from stainless steel and brass, and usually designed with complex mechanisms to shoot small darts such as toothpicks and steel balls. Another popular type of mechanical crossbows is tactical replica, which is inspired by compound and pistol crossbows and often includes sights and repeated magazines such as Mini Striker repeating crossbow. There is also a kit for wooden crossbows for do-it-yourself construction of this unique toy. Number 6. Wooden Mini Crossbow. Wooden Mini Crossbow is a fascinating miniature crossbow sample created manually and based on classic designs but having portable construction. Due to being created primarily from wood, this crossbow features its strength and stability. The fact that the crossbow is small enables convenient handling, which is appropriate for beginners and those who like assembling such shooting weapons. This crossbow works on the principle of elasticity/spring force and shoots arrows. Thus, it may be used indoors, since it does not need much knowledge to operate. A wooden surface is comfortable for a person to use this crossbow. Moreover, it is worth noting that this miniature crossbow may be used in order to increase attention and improve aiming skills in a fun way. Number 7. Clianle Mini Archery Crossbow. Clianle Mini Archery Crossbow is a handy tool that can be used by both beginner archers and seasoned users who prefer hunting outdoors. It has been built to last long while remaining lightweight for easy transportation during outdoor trips. Despite its small size, it is powerful and accurate enough to serve for training purposes as well as leisure activities. It comes as a full package with all necessary accessories and arrows that guarantee stable performance. With an ergonomic grip, it has a safe loading mechanism and comes with a locking system that prevents accidental discharge. It weighs just 2.3 pounds and measures 3.14 inches in height with black design. Its retail price is $44.99. Number 8. AMEYXGS Mini Crossbow Toy Set. AMEYXGS Mini Crossbow Toy Set is a miniature crossbow set built for people who like shooting and collectible guns. Made from stainless steel bodies and elastic manganese steel limbs, this item will provide durability, anti-rust properties, and good results. Although the bow is small in size, it has impressive features like 10 to 12 pounds draw weight and ranges from 10 to 40 meters. With the help of this toy set, one can shoot multiple bolts with the included target paper, as well as tune it by using a mini wrench. The set comes in several versions such as mini compound, recurve, and lever styles. This miniature toy crossbow is available both for right-handed and left-handed persons. One should be careful while playing with it. Therefore, safety warnings are provided. Number 9. Toothpick Crossbow. Toothpick Crossbow is a miniature device which is used for shooting projectiles such as toothpicks, cotton swabs, or matches. This toy is popular among office workers as a stress reliever because it requires little effort but is capable of performing well. Although the crossbow is very compact, it is capable of launching projectiles as far as 80 feet and even hitting soft surfaces such as balloons, paper, and fruit. Usually, the crossbow is made from plastic, wood, or metal, and thus it can be carried everywhere. The most attractive feature of the crossbow is that it can be used to shoot anything. Nonetheless, safety considerations should be taken into account because it should never be shot at any human being or animal. Number 10. Bat Ballista Mini. Repeating Crossbow. Bat Ballista Mini Repeating Crossbow is an advanced tactical style crossbow that is suitable for those who have already gained experience in using such weapons. The model provides up to 300 feet per second with a draw weight of 130 pounds. Its size, 16 inches by 5 inches, and weight, 2.46 pounds, do not hinder mobility, but at the same time enable strong and reliable shooting. Moreover, there is a magazine option with up to 6 bolt capacity. The second model, Ballista Bat Reverse Draw, is improved in terms of speed and performance since its parameters include up to 340 frames per second and a draw weight of 150 pounds. This weapon weighs about 3 pounds and fits in a 30-litre backpack. As you can see, reverse draw technology makes the device more energy efficient and faster. The magazine model includes 5 10.5-inch bolts. The price of this item is about $299.95. There you have it, the top 10 most deadly mini crossbows on Amazon that you should be aware of. Which of those mini crossbows was a surprise for you? Comment down below and let us know. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications for even more exciting weapon reviews and cool survival gadgets.